Hello my creative friends, welcome back to my channel. Today we're gonna play with a super fun die set that just came out in June now from Spellbinders. It's called Amalfi Breeze, and I'll show you the dies that come in this set. So it's got the main body and the leg that they are separate, so you can overlap them. So she's got cross leg, laying down and relaxing. There you go. How fun is that? Then it's got this bathing suit, the swimming suit that you can you can customize different ways. What I did, I printed twice in white and black, and then I cut the black in strip and I glue it on top of the white, so it give a nice fun stripy swimming bathing suit. But you can use pattern paper, you can do a lot of different things. Then there is this little dies for the hair. I die cut in I think was don't remember. I'm using color wheel cardstock. I will list below for the hair, but it's like she's got red hair, and you can make a little drink for her. So here are all the bits that I cut. So it's got, the drink has got two layers, the glass, the main glass, and the top with the straw, and then it comes with this fun die to create the fringe of the mat or a beach towel. So I die cut it in two different shades of pink, so I've got a fuller fringe, and I'm just gonna layer them together. And of course I die cut 4 times, so I've got both sides. And now I'm just gonna do a little bit of ink blending on the body. I die cut this one, I think I die cut it actually in Berry Peach, so that is now unfortunately discontinued in this being replaced, unfortunately, because I love it. It's a color that I really like. But so I did a little bit of ink blending with some brown on the side, but I kept this lady pretty much beginning of the summer when it's not too tan yet. Sorry, let me unclog my glue bottle. And now I'm just gonna apply a little bit of glue on the separate leg, and now I'm just gonna position it so she's got cross leg. There you go. And I create a little bit of shadow as well. That is good. Now I'm just gonna attach the swimming bathing suit. How fun is this? I love it. I had so much fun creating this card. There you go. I'm gonna put something heavy on top, so you're gonna dry flat. Meanwhile, I'm gonna create a little drink. Oh, sorry about the focus. I think it's because it's early in the morning, is getting little light. I'm using natural light, so there you go. How fun is that? You can customize the way you want to make it look like I don't know, a Starbucks bottles. Now I'm just gonna layer the two bits for the fringe together, and I'm gonna offset it so it looks a lot fuller. There you go, perfect. Again, I'm gonna put it to dry flat. Meanwhile, I can add the hair for the lady. I'm gonna you know, you can make the lady look like you or your friends to have a fun card to give it to your friends. I will actually make another card later. Oh, I'm using here the little bow from one of the present to that was from a very old Christmas die set. Anyway, I just create a little bow on the swimming dress. You can customize the way you want. I'm attaching my lemonade in this case with a little straw. How fun is this? It's so easy to put together as well. It come out really, really quickly. There you go. And you can, you know, change the skin tone. That's what I'm gonna do on the next one because I really love this die set. I'm gonna make straight away another card, but I'm gonna probably post the video tomorrow. There you go. And I decided to have simple pink matte. There you go. So I'm just gonna glue on top my fringe. I just die cut a rectangle of pink cardstock. I don't remember which color is this one. I think it is oh gosh, I don't have my chart with me, never mind. I will try to list it below, otherwise I'll list the whole the whole color wheel. There you go, at the bottom one as well. And I've got my beach towel. How fun is that? Super easy. And again, you can use whatever you like. You can use patterning paper, you can use you can emboss the mat. Look at how lovely is that. It could be how do you call it, the bed that you can hang in between trees. Maybe I'll do a card like that later. I think it's a good idea. Like she's yeah, hammock. It can be in a hammock or something like that. Now I'm gonna put some foam square at the back, and I'm using a larger one so I can cover more. There you go, and one between the legs, so it doesn't need much. Just to give a bit more dimension, I'm gonna use a small one to cover the head and the arm as well, of the hair. There you go. I think I attached it too close to it was too visible. I mean, it was visible from the back, but not anymore. Remove the release paper. Did I remove the release paper from the big ones? I'm not sure I did. I just attached I didn't even realize that. Oh well. Anyway, look how cute. Now let's create a background. I'm using the very shiny, sparkly, glitter white cardstock that I got in my stash long time. Usually I use it for snow in Christmas, but I thought it would make a very nice white sand. Like we got some beach in Sardinia that's got this type of sand that is almost white, and I thought I used that one. Yeah, matted with a bit of blue so I can have some sea behind. There you go. Yeah, I think it's gonna work. How lovely is that? Tropical. I'm gonna add a bit of splatter in my, sorry, a bit of in blending, and I'm gonna splatter as well in a bit, just to create more a seaside effect. So I'm gonna add a little bit of darker on the corner, and now I'm just gonna splatter with some white. So I've got a little piece of release paper, and I'm gonna add some Memento white pigment ink, a little bit of water, mix it with my brush, and I'm just gonna splatter. That's it, just a little bit, doesn't need much, just to create the effect of splashing water. It could, or sky, but in this case splashing water. So I'm gonna add a bit of glue at the back of my sand, so it's attaching to my corner of seaside, and that's it. I die cut I cut this piece of white sparkling cardstock slightly, big, half inch smaller than 5 by 7, so 6.5 by 4.5. And now I'm just gonna glue down my lady with the lovely pink towel down in the beach, taking the sun, relaxing. I wish I could chill like that. Hopefully soon. And that's it. Just pressing down. Sorry about the noise, if you can hear it, there is my fridge going. And at the background there is a little rabbit that we got. Oh, as a sentiment, I'm using another die set from this is part of La Dolce Vita collection, and I'm using one of the sentiment. Let's say you'd love this, and I'm just gonna offset it in a banner in blue, the same color of the sea. I think this, I use the same color cardstock. I think it's Malibu, I could be wrong. And I'm just gonna simply attach it there. Yeah, I don't know if I want to cover the mat or not, but I just put I wanted to adhere properly, but there is the girl. I should have attached the girls already. I should have just let the cardstock dry first, but never mind, because I felt that I was lifting a little bit. So I'm gonna put something on top heavy to let it dry flat, and now I can finish up my card. Still in the side where to put my sentiment, and I'm gonna cut off the excess of the mat, the beach towel, when using my lovely Spellbinder scissors that they cut like butter. I decide to pop up my sentiment with again some foam square, those one again from Spellbinders. I love that the release paper come out so easily. Here I'm debating, should I add a color behind? And then I said, no, let's leave it white. Nice and sunny and breezy. That is I think is the name, Amalfi Breeze. It's the name of the die set, so let it breathe. There you go, just a bit of glue at the back, and that's it. And again, I'm gonna press it down and let it dry for a while flat. Yeah, I put something and I just cut the video after, but yeah. And now I can attach my sentiment and the card is done. That was rather quick part of the dry time, and I think it's very fun. I really loved it die set. I will list it below because it's super cute. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful rest of the day and see you next time. Bye.